Manufacturers are designing today's sleds to deliver unprecedented power and performance, so enthusiasts can push the boundaries even further. Some models use turbocharging to produce the eye-popping horsepower you crave. But turbos create intense heat and pressure that can create power-robbing deposits in engine wear with the potential to ruin your ride. AMSOIL Interceptor Synthetic 2-stroke oil is designed for the challenging environment created by today's demanding sleds. To test its performance, we installed it in a turbocharged Ski-Doo 850 E-tec Turbo R. We ran the engine for a simulated season of mountain riding. And designed the test so the sled hit 4 psi boost pressure even at sea level. In these extreme conditions, deposits can form on the turbo bearing, pistons, and exhaust power valves, reducing engine power. Afterward, we tore down the engine and examined the parts for deposits and wear. AMSOIL Interceptor synthetic base oils and advanced additives virtually eliminated deposits and wear, keeping parts clean and helping deliver maximum power and engine life. AMSOIL, run with us.